In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Microsoft account using Google. First, open your web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you're most comfortable with. In the address bar at the top, type in google.com and press Enter to go to the Google homepage. Once you're on Google, click into the search box in the middle of the screen. Here, you're going to type the phrase, "How to create new Microsoft account." Take a moment to check that it's spelled correctly. Then press Enter on your keyboard or tap the search icon. Google will now show you a list of search results related to creating a new Microsoft account. Near the top of the page, you should see a result that either comes directly from Microsoft's official website or clearly explains the process. It's generally safest and most reliable to use the official Microsoft page. So look for a link that mentions accountmicrosoft.com or Microsoft's help site. Go ahead and click on that result. Your browser will open the Microsoft page in a new window or tab. This page usually includes a button or link that says something like Create Account or Sign Up. If you don't see it right away, look near the middle or top of the page, or in the Sign In area where it may offer the option to create a new account. Click the Create Account or similar button. You'll now be taken to a form where Microsoft asks for some basic information. Typically, you can choose to use an existing email address from another provider, or you can create a new Outlook email as part of the process. Select the option that works best for you. Next, carefully fill in the fields Microsoft asks for, such as your email, a secure password, and sometimes your region and date of birth. Make sure your password is something strong and unique, and avoid using anything that's easy to guess. Follow the on-screen prompts step by step. Microsoft may send a verification code to your email or phone to confirm it's really you. Enter that code when asked, and continue through the setup screens until you see confirmation that your account has been created. When you're done, you'll be signed in to your new Microsoft account and ready to use services like Outlook, OneDrive, Office Online, and more, all starting from that simple Google search.